In this short video, I will give you an introduction to the Critical Foundations in Undergraduate Research Reading Guide 2nd edition. Let's start on the course homepage in Brightspace. You will find a link to the reading guide in the Reading Club module. We will click on the Assigned Readings hyperlink. When we scroll down the page, we will find the link to the guide. We will click on this link. Here on the cover page, we will click on Read Book. This opens the book. As we can see from this page, the purpose of this guide is to support active reading and deep learning. There are 12 chapters in the book, and each chapter provides information related to the readings for a given week. There is an overview, a list of the readings, videos, and other materials to be covered for the week, before class, reading and writing club, and after class activities, and some information about the textbooks assigned for the course. We will go to the top left-hand corner of the book, and next to Contents, we will click on the down arrow. This opens the table of contents. The chapters are organized according to the 5 modules in the course. We will click on the plus sign for Module 1, and then on the Week 1 link. Here is the overview for this chapter. And this week, the chapter is divided into Part 1 for the first class and Part 2 for the second. As you can see, Part 1 is designed for reading the syllabus. Although we have already looked at the syllabus in class, you're encouraged to do the pre-class activities, which include thinking about questions that can be asked about the syllabus, doing the pile of words, and predicting a learning outcome. The pile of words is a drag and drop activity that helps you identify the key concepts in the readings for a week. Part 2 of this chapter is for the second class in Week 1. Here is a list of the readings that need to be covered for the second class. And again, you'll see the before class activities, which include some questions to ask while you're reading and watching, because you have both readings and videos for the second class. The pile of words, where you group and label key concepts in the readings. And the predict a learning outcome section, where you begin to think about what you think you'll learn from the readings and what you might be able to accomplish after doing the work in the class. The Reading Club section explains our in-class discussion for the second class, and the post-class activities are designed to help you reread the materials for a deeper understanding of the purpose, scope, thesis, method, when applicable, and outcomes of the readings. The final question prompts you to think more broadly about what we have discussed and read. This is the end of this video.